Fully adopting smart charging technology, each USB port can intelligently identify your device and try to maximize its charging speed, which delivers up to 2.1 amps charging speed per port by optimally distributing the current. 2 AC outlets plus 2 USB ports. Space saving makes your desk neat and organized by getting rid of multiple power cords. Keep your home, office, or school desktop workspace neat and tidy while charging multiple devices. Round USB output. Charging technology enables each USB port to detect and deliver an ideal input current of up to 2.1 amps. Actual current is determined by the demand of the devices. As you can see, it is now installed, and now we have a place to connect our electrical equipment at a new point in our house.